Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the secret that dentist doesn't want you to know, that it removes teeth tartar and it removes any kind of yellowish of your teeth, and it whitening the teeth naturally at home with very simple ingredients. You can whiten your teeth and get rid of teeth tartar, stained teeth and yellow teeth, and you will get pearl white teeth naturally. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is around 3 teaspoons of rice, just normal rice, and we need to blend it fine into a powder like so, my friends. Now in a clean mixing bowl we need to make sure that it doesn't have any lumps in it. So place it like so. Now my friends, in a clean mixing bowl we need to add 2 teaspoons of rice flour, يعني تتشابه الكتة. Then we need to add around 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Like so, my friends. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And mix well these ingredients. Now we need to add around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. Use any toothpaste available for you. Mix well the ingredients again. We will end up with this magical cream paste. Our magical remedy is ready. Now how to use it? With your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so and brush your teeth. It will whitening your teeth and will remove the teeth tartar naturally. If you do have teeth plaque, it also will remove it and you will get white teeth naturally at home. Keep using the remedy until you get the best result. It doesn't cause any side effects. It protects the enamel and it's super effective in getting pearl white teeth naturally.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.